Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to blend multiple photos using Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva. Once you're on the home page, log into your account if you haven't already. Create a new project by selecting a blank canvas. The size of the canvas will depend on your needs. Now, upload the two images you want to blend. To do this, click on the Uploads tab on the left-hand panel, then upload the files from your device. Once uploaded, drag and drop the first image onto the canvas. Adjust its size and position it so that it fills the desired area. This will serve as the base image. Next, click on the Elements tab in the left-hand panel. Use the search bar to find a gradient. Switch to the Graphics section to see all available options. Choose a gradient that best suits your blending style. For this example, select a simple, linear gradient. Drag the gradient onto the canvas and position it where the second image will overlap with the first one. Resize and rotate the gradient as needed to create a blending effect. To enhance the effect, you can duplicate the gradient and layer it on top of the original one. Adjust their placement to add more depth. Now, add another page to your project by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom of the canvas. On this new page, place your second image. Resize and position it similarly to the first image. Add a gradient to this image just like before. You can copy and paste the gradient settings from the first page to save time, then adjust its orientation and placement. Once you've positioned both images and gradients, download them separately. To do this, click on the Share button at the top right corner, select Download, and save each page as an individual file. Upload the two downloaded images back to Canva. Drag the first image onto the canvas, then layer the second image on top. Select the top image, click on the Transparency button in the toolbar, and reduce the transparency to around 50%. This creates a blending effect between the two images. Download this combined image and upload it again to Canva. Once it's on the canvas, you can enhance its appearance using Canva's editing tools. Select the image, click on Edit, and adjust the following settings. Decrease the brightness to make the blend more subtle. Increase the contrast to bring out the details. Adjust the saturation to make the colors more vibrant. Finally, scroll down and increase the clarity for a sharper look. After making these adjustments, you'll have a beautifully blended image that looks seamless and professional. When you're happy with the result, save your work by clicking on the Share button and downloading the final image. That's it. You've now successfully blended multiple photos in Canva. Thank you for watching.